What if your daily tea ritual could become your most powerful beauty routine? After 40, it's not just wrinkles. Your skin loses elasticity, your hair thins, and hormonal changes can leave you feeling like a stranger in your own body. But what if the solution isn't in a serum or supplement, but in your teacup? In this video, you'll discover science-backed teas that naturally support glowing skin, stronger hair, and hormonal harmony, without pills, procedures, or pricey products. Your anti-aging journey starts with a sip. After 40, aging can start to feel visible and personal. Fine lines appear where skin used to be smooth. Hair starts thinning, becoming dull or brittle. And for many women, hormonal shifts bring unexpected changes, hot flashes, mood swings, or stubborn weight gain. It's easy to feel like your only options are expensive creams, salon treatments, or hormone replacement therapy. But here's the truth. Radiant skin, healthy hair, and hormonal balance don't have to come from a bottle or a prescription. Nature has already brewed some of the most powerful anti-aging solutions, and they're found in your tea cabinet. Herbal teas, when chosen wisely, are more than just soothing drinks. They deliver antioxidants, adaptogens, and natural compounds that work with your body to repair, restore, and rebalance. Ready to turn your tea time into a beauty ritual? Here are the top anti-aging teas every woman over 40 should know, and exactly how they work. Radiance from within, teas for skin health. As we age, our skin changes. Collagen production declines, moisture retention weakens, and oxidative stress from sun exposure or pollution starts to take a toll. Fine lines deepen. Elasticity fades. And that natural glow, it doesn't come as easily anymore. But what if your daily tea ritual could help bring it back? Certain herbal teas are loaded with antioxidants, skin-friendly minerals, and compounds that support your body's ability to rebuild, repair, and protect. Let's take a look at 3 of the most effective anti-aging teas for skin health and how they work their magic from within. Number 1. Rooibos tea. Rooibos, pronounced rooibos, a red tea native to South Africa, is caffeine-free and packed with flavonoids that protect your skin's collagen. The key compound here is aspalathin, an antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress, a major contributor to collagen breakdown. Rooibos also contains alpha-hydroxy acid, which supports smoother skin texture, and zinc, which helps calm inflammation and promote clear skin. A 2010 study in phytomedicine found that rooibos extract reduced wrinkles and improved skin elasticity when applied topically. But drinking it regularly may also help your skin fend off daily environmental stressors from the inside out. Try this. Swap your afternoon coffee for a warm cup of rooibos. Add a cinnamon stick or a few slices of dried apple for extra flavor and antioxidants. Number 2. Green tea. No list of beauty teas is complete without green tea. Rich in catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, green tea helps neutralize free radicals that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. EGCG is known to protect against UV-induced skin aging, support healthy blood flow for better nutrient delivery to skin, reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne or rosacea, increase skin hydration and elasticity. In a 12-week study published in the Journal of Nutrition, participants who drank green tea daily experienced improved skin density, elasticity, and hydration, along with less UV-induced redness. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm and balanced energy, especially helpful during hormonal shifts that affect mood and stress levels. Try this. Steep high-quality Japanese green tea, like suncha or matcha, and enjoy it first thing in the morning for a clean, antioxidant-rich start to your day. Number 3. Chamomile tea. Chamomile may be best known as a calming bedtime drink, but it's also a powerful ally for irritated, sensitive, or aging skin. Chamomile flowers contain apigenin, an antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and support skin repair. For women experiencing redness, puffiness, or stress-induced flare-ups, hormonal breakouts, chamomile can be a gentle yet effective solution. Beyond that, chamomile's calming effects support better sleep, which, as research consistently shows, is crucial for overnight collagen production and cellular repair. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, is linked to dull complexion, dark circles, and accelerated signs of aging. A relaxed nervous system, thanks to a nightly chamomile ritual, means lower cortisol levels, and that means less collagen degradation and better skin resilience. Try this. Sip chamomile tea 30 to 60 minutes before bed. For added skin benefits, add a slice of fresh ginger, anti-inflammatory, or a teaspoon of raw honey, antibacterial and soothing. Radiant skin is an inside job. While skincare products play a role in hydration and surface protection, long-lasting skin health begins beneath the surface. The teas above work with your body's natural rhythms to protect collagen, reduce inflammation, and nourish your skin from within. And unlike serums or facials that come with a price tag and a shelf life, a warm cup of tea offers something more sustainable, a ritual of self-care that supports your whole system, day after day. Pro tip: to maximize absorption, pair your tea ritual with collagen-friendly snacks like almonds, vitamin E, citrus fruits, vitamin C, or berries, polyphenol. Coming up next, we'll look at teas that support hair health, because shiny, strong hair is just as much a part of feeling youthful and vibrant. Stay with us. Strength and shine. Teas for hair growth and thickness. Hair is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a visible sign of inner vitality and hormonal balance. But after 40, many women start to notice their hair becoming thinner, drier, and more prone to breakage. Hormonal fluctuations, nutritional deficiencies, and oxidative stress all contribute to this change. The good news? Just like your skin, your hair can benefit tremendously from targeted herbal teas. These natural remedies not only deliver key nutrients, but also work with your body to balance hormones and boost scalp health. Let's dive into 3 of the best teas to support stronger, shinier, more youthful hair naturally. Number 4. Nettle leaf. At first glance, nettle might seem like a simple weed, but in herbal medicine, nettle leaf is a powerhouse of nutrients for hair health. It's particularly rich in silica, iron, vitamin C, and vitamin A combination that feeds hair follicles from within and supports the production of stronger, thicker strands. Silica plays a key role in building collagen and strengthening the hair shaft, while iron ensures that your scalp gets the oxygen-rich blood supply it needs for healthy growth. Many women over 40 unknowingly suffer from mild iron deficiency, which can silently contribute to hair shedding and thinning. Vitamin C not only enhances iron absorption, but also helps protect the scalp from oxidative stress, a common factor in aging-related hair loss. And vitamin A supports sebum production, keeping the scalp naturally hydrated and flake-free. Beyond nutrients, nettle helps reduce inflammation around hair follicles and improve circulation to the scalp, both essential for delivering growth-stimulating signals to dormant or weakened hair roots. Try this. Brew nettle leaf with a few fresh peppermint leaves. Not only does it enhance the taste, but peppermint adds its own circulation boosting and cooling effects, which further benefit the scalp. Drink it daily, and consider using cooled nettle tea as a hair rinse once or twice a week. Number 5. Horsetail tea. Horsetail is one of the richest plant sources of organic silica, which is essential for the formation of keratin, the key structural protein in your hair. With age, keratin production slows, leading to hair that feels rough, brittle, or thin. Horsetail helps restore this structure from within. Silica also improves the strength and elasticity of both hair and nails. When taken consistently, it may reduce split ends, minimize breakage, and make hair strands appear fuller and smoother. It's a subtle shift, but one that builds over time as your body reclaims the tools it needs for proper growth. Horsetail's antioxidant content also helps protect hair follicles from environmental damage, especially from pollutants or UV exposure. For those with dull, lackluster hair, horsetail can gently restore natural shine and luster. However, it's important to note that horsetail can act as a diuretic, so pair it with adequate hydration and don't overdo your intake. A cup or 2 daily is ideal. Try this. Enjoy horsetail tea as a mid-morning drink alongside a snack rich in biotin, like a boiled egg or a handful of almonds. Biotin, another essential B vitamin for hair, works synergistically with silica for maximum benefit. Number 6. Saw palmetto tea. One of the most under-discussed causes of hair thinning in women over 40 is DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a derivative of testosterone that binds to hair follicles and causes them to shrink. As estrogen levels decline in menopause, DHT can become more dominant, leading to hairline recession, thinning at the crown, and an overall reduction in volume. Saw palmetto is a natural DHT blocker. While it's most commonly taken as a supplement, brewing it into tea offers a gentle, supportive way to balance hormones without harsh side effects. By lowering DHT activity, saw palmetto helps preserve the size and health of hair follicles, especially in areas prone to age-related thinning. This tea is especially helpful for women navigating perimenopause and menopause, when hormonal shifts can wreak havoc on both scalp and mood. Try this. Combine saw palmetto tea with spearmint, which also has mild anti-androgenic effects and supports hormonal balance. Spearmint adds a refreshing flavor and complements saw palmetto's earthy taste. Drink this blend in the afternoon when your energy dips and your hormones may be more likely to fluctuate. Be consistent. Hair growth is a slow, cumulative process. These teas won't transform your hair overnight, but over the course of several weeks, you may begin to notice reduced shedding, improved shine, and even regrowth in thinning areas. Make your tea ritual part of your self-care routine, and your hair will thank you. Up next, let's explore the teas that support hormonal harmony, because what's happening inside your body matters just as much as what's happening on the outside. Harmony inside out. Teas for hormonal balance. Hormones affect far more than just your reproductive system. They influence your mood, sleep, metabolism, energy, and even how your skin and hair look. After 40, as estrogen begins to decline and cortisol often rises, many women experience frustrating symptoms. Hot flashes, night sweats, fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, irregular cycles, and stubborn weight gain. Instead of turning straight to hormone therapy, many women are rediscovering the power of ancient herbal wisdom, specifically teas that gently support the endocrine system. These teas don't just mask symptoms. They work with your body to bring it back into balance, naturally and sustainably. Let's explore 4 hormone-supportive teas that nourish from the inside out, helping you feel like yourself again, calm, energized, and in tune with your body. Number 7. Red clover tea. Red clover is rich in phytoestrogens, plant compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. For women going through perimenopause or menopause, this gentle estrogenic activity can help reduce the effects of declining natural estrogen. Hot flashes, mood instability, and vaginal dryness are all symptoms linked to low estrogen. Red clover steps in to fill the gaps slightly, providing just enough hormonal support to ease the transition without the intensity of synthetic hormone therapy. In one 12-week study, postmenopausal women who drank red clover tea experienced a significant reduction in night sweats and hot flashes, along with improved sleep quality. Other studies have also noted benefits for skin elasticity and bone health, 2 areas often affected by lower estrogen. How to enjoy it? Red clover tea has a mild, slightly sweet taste. Enjoy a warm cup in the evening to support sleep and soothe symptoms. You can also combine it with chamomile or lemon balm for extra calming effects. Number 8. Spearmint tea. While estrogen declines with age, androgens, male hormones like testosterone, can sometimes become more dominant. For women with PCOS or those who notice increased facial hair, acne, or oily skin, this hormonal imbalance can be frustrating. Spearmint tea has been shown to lower testosterone levels in women, helping to restore hormonal equilibrium. In a randomized trial, women who drank spearmint tea twice daily for 30 days had significantly lower free testosterone levels, and many noticed improvements in skin clarity and hair growth patterns. Because androgens also influence the menstrual cycle, Spearmint can be a helpful ally for those dealing with irregular periods or hormonal acne flares. When to drink it? The best time for spearmint tea is in the morning, as it's slightly stimulating and can help regulate cortisol levels early in the day. Its refreshing flavor also pairs well with lemon or nettle if you're looking for a combo brew. Number 9. Chasteberry Vitex Tea. Chasteberry, also known as Vitex agnus castus, has been used for centuries to support female hormonal health. Unlike phytoestrogens, Vitex doesn't add hormones to your body. Instead, it works by gently stimulating the pituitary gland, the master controller of hormone production. The result? Improved communication between the brain and ovaries, leading to more balanced levels of estrogen and progesterone. Vitex is especially helpful for women with PMS, mood swings, breast tenderness, and irregular cycles. It's not an overnight fix. It works best when taken consistently over a few months, but many women report more predictable cycles and fewer emotional ups and downs after using Vitex tea. When to use it? Drink a cup of chasteberry tea in the morning for best results, as it aligns with your body's natural hormone rhythms. Be patient and consistent. True hormone healing takes time, and Vitex is a slow and steady companion. Number 10. Ashwagandha tea. Hormones don't operate in a vacuum. Chronic stress can throw off everything, from thyroid function to estrogen-progesterone balance to sleep cycles. That's where ashwagandha comes in. This adaptogenic root has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. It helps the body adapt to stress by lowering levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which, when chronically elevated, can disrupt almost every other hormone in the body. Ashwagandha supports the adrenal glands, reduces anxiety, improves sleep quality, and even enhances thyroid function. For women over 40 who feel wired but tired, this herb can offer the grounding support they need. And bonus, it may also support libido and energy, two things many women struggle with as they move through midlife. How to enjoy it? Ashwagandha has a slightly earthy, bitter flavor, so it's often combined with warming spices like cinnamon or cardamom. Drink it in the evening to help you wind down and set your body up for deep, hormone-balancing rest. Let's recap. With just a few cups of thoughtfully chosen teas each day, you can support smoother skin, thicker, healthier hair, and more balanced hormones, naturally and gently. No needles, no prescriptions, just plants working in harmony with your body. This isn't about restriction. It's about self-care. Choosing to nourish yourself with intention, one sip at a time. Try stacking your habits. A refreshing spearmint or nettle tea in the morning, a glowing skin blend like rooibos midday, and a calming ashwagandha or red clover tea in the evening. You'll create a rhythm your body will thank you for. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which tea are you most excited to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if this video helped you, send it to a friend over 40 who deserves to feel radiant too. Because beauty isn't found in a bottle. It's brewed in your cup, one mindful sip at a time.